All right, folks, now my next guest says that the market's primary issue, and we just kind of touched on this, elevated rates. Just kind of concerned about elevated rates. I want to bring in Lloyd Financial Group President and CEO Luke Lloyd. Luke, I'll keep the other chart up too because I'm going to ask you about this. But first, so far, higher rates haven't derailed the rally. Now, I know everyone keeps trying to find a magic number and whether it's on a 10-year yield or whatever, but so far, so good, but you think that could be the one thing possibly trip this thing up?
Inflation going lower, rates going lower, this Iran situation gets figured out. It's a bull case for the entire market, and specifically a lot of the names that really haven't partaken in this whole entire rally. It wasn't just long ago, just a few months ago, or a year ago maybe at this point, that Intel was the dog, and everyone said, don't buy Intel.
Right.
Well, look what happened since then. We bought it at 25 bucks, it's at 120 bucks. There's so many things that are pretty obvious to me, like Intel was a dog, and everyone said, don't buy Intel because they make CPUs, not GPUs. Well, you need CPUs for NVIDIA's GPUs. Software is kind of the same thing. AI is not going to replace software. I'm going to get to that 1 second. I'm going to get that 1 second. So you're okay then. This is also keeping you bullish, these earnings, the same thing. I mean, no one should kind of ignore that. Okay, let's talk about the software thing because IGV, the software index, the SaaS apocalypse got hammered. There's been a couple of efforts to rally, but I should point out Zscaler last night reported getting annihilated, down 31%. It's tough. I mean, there will be losers here, but you also said, no, there's some winners also in your mind. Well, we own Fortnite. We don't own Zscaler specifically, but Fortnite's been a rock star for us. I think it was 75 bucks we bought it at. It's at 125 bucks or so now. Cybersecurity, obviously, you're going to have the bad actors with AI. People trying to break the code. The coders are trying to do bad things, but you're going to have the protection as well. So cybersecurity remains the spot to be as well. Obviously, software as well.
But you have to be selective, right? I mean, it looks like Now's acting better. Datadog is acting better. You know, some of these names are acting better. Salesforce reports. That's the granddaddy of them all. If they lay an egg, do you go back to the drawing board on all these names?
I don't think so. I think there's going to be winners, there's going to be losers, but the sector as a whole is still a buy.
Right.
You know, specifically, like, you know, everyone debates SPY software or semis. Well, you can kind of own both sometimes through Sony. So Sony's one of my favorite picks.
Let's bring that up then. I'm going to bring up the chart because you're doing some serious bottom fishing here. All right, you like Sony, it hit a double bottom there. It's coming back a little bit. Why do you like it?
Because 60% of Sony's roughly software, 40% is basically the photonics semiconductor space. So it's funny how about a year ago, 2 years ago, it was GPUs and CPUs.
Right.
A year ago, it became quantum computing and became photonics.
Right.
I think software is that next area, and you also have to have the semiconductor play as well, because I think semiconductors continue to do well as well.
Here's the software name. I was in this. I bailed out. I finally gave up. But you like it here. It is forming a bottom, but I wonder what takes it higher.
Well, it's crazy. The banking and insurance sector is still stuck in the 1950s and 60s. There's not been much innovation in the insurance and banking sector. I think AI is going to revolutionize the banking sector because of the lack of innovation. Guidewire specifically works in the insurance space that needs revamped, and they have a 99% retention rate. Once you get involved with Guidewire, you can't get out.
I think you were. Were you in the Coast Guard or something? I mean, like you have a hero's mentality. I'll save you.
Optimism.
I'll go. Yeah. So Hubs. Listen, HubSpot. I used to love HubSpot. It's getting hammered. And so this is where you see the opportunity here.
There has to be opportunity. I mean, these stocks, all the ones I kind of referenced, a lot of these names, HubSpot specifically, has got a 16 times forward multiple.
Right.
Back in 21, that was a 45 times forward multiple. These stocks are doing about 4 or 5 times the revenue, the same earnings growth, but they're cut basically by a third or fourth from their valuation they had in 21. So why are they beaten up? I don't know. Buy it because once that rally and rotation happens, I think it's a rip your face off rally in software.
Before I let you go, we're waiting for SpaceX. In the meantime, you do like other space names, right? You like ASTS, Teradyne, and just talk a little bit about this because this XPEV, I'm in, I'm down, and I want to hear something good.
Well, again, the valuation came down a little bit on that. I think it's good value, but I want to hit on these two specifically. These have been rock stars. Teradyne, I think, was a 3% weighting, turned into about 8% weighting in our portfolio. AST Space Mobile, we bought at 40 bucks. It's at 125. We aren't selling because the SpaceX IPO around the corner, Starlink's about a $1.2 trillion, that $2 trillion valuation. This is a $35, $40 billion company. What I think is going to happen is almost a mean reversion where SpaceX maybe comes down. I think this goes up to a $100 billion market cap. It probably is going to go to 200 bucks at some point, in our opinion. Even though the valuation, it's a momentum stock. Liquidity has to remain strong. It could get hit pretty hard, but I think as long as liquidity remains, it stays.
I hope you're right. I got subscribers in it, my man. Good stuff, Luke.
Always
good
fun.
stuff.